let's go ahead and get a little bit of exercise in. That way, when the quarantine is finally over and we go outside, we're not all looking like Missy Elliott in the I Can't Stand the Rain video. So what I've done is I've designed the laziest, most basic workout just to go ahead and get your blood going and burn a few calories while you're in quarantine at home. Results. I'm going to go ahead now and show you one of the breathing techniques I use when I go ahead and perform a basic squat. Now, if you guys have breathing techniques that you know you use that you feel is working for you, please feel free to share in the comment section. And I would like to go ahead and give it a try and see if it works for me as well. I'm always willing to try new exercises, new breathing techniques, new forms. Because with new, your body has to learn to adapt, and adaptation equals strength. So, when it comes to breathing for squats, I like to practice something very basic and simple, and it's lazy. After all, lazy fitness. So, what you want to do is you want to inhale through your nose, or what I like to call smell the flowers. And then you're going to exhale through the mouth, which I like to call blow out the candle. Smell the flowers. Blow out the candle. So you may be asking yourself, all right, so how do I incorporate this into the squat? Well, simple enough. I'm going to go ahead and let you know. So we're going to do a basic squat. I'm using the chair as an example of how low, if you're first starting out, you want to get into the squat position. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and smell the flowers on the way down, and you're going to blow the candle out on the way up. It goes like this. All right, since this is Tabata style, let's go ahead and do this for 20 seconds. Get yourself together, let's get ready, and go.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. I gotta do what I gotta do anyway to get off of my way. I gotta do what I gotta do anyway every single day. I keep up and never give it up to get off of my way. I gotta do what I gotta do anyway.
Wasn't too hard for you. Now we're going to move on to the next exercise. We just went ahead, got the blood going in the lower body. Follow me as we go ahead and hit the upper body. And we go ahead and practice the proper breathing technique for your basic standard push-up. So, here I am in your basic push-up position. My hands are about shoulder width apart. When I go down, I know they're by my chest. So I'm going to go ahead and definitely cause that tension and that contraction on the muscle. Now, when it comes to breathing, similar to the squat, you want to go ahead, take that deep breath or smell the flowers on the way down, and then you want to exhale or blow the candle out on the way back up. So, inhale. All right, so once again, you're gonna smell the flowers on the way down, blow the candle out on the way up. Let's go ahead and give this a try for 20 seconds.
What I gotta do anyway every single day.
We're going to get up on our tippy toes, which is going to cause you to contract the muscle of your calf, and then we're going to slowly come back down. As far as breathing techniques, this is an exercise where the breathing really doesn't matter too much. It's more about keeping the contraction on the muscle or the calf, so do whatever you feel comfortable with. Go ahead and go far back enough where you feel already a contraction on the muscle. Once you feel that contraction, you go ahead and lift onto your tippy toes and lift back down. Ready, set, go. The breathing technique I like to use for your basic crunch is I like to go ahead, take a deep breath while I'm still down, and then as I come up to the crunch position, I like to expel that air completely out and tighten my core. So it's something like this. So, simple enough. You want to go ahead, smell the flowers. While you're down, blow out the candle on your way back up.
I gotta do what I gotta do anyway to get off of my way. I gotta do what I gotta do anyway every single day. I keep up and never give it up to get off of my way. I gotta do what I gotta do anyway every single day.
The push-up position. Once you're in that push-up position, I want you bring your hands down to your elbows. Some people like to lock their fingers, some people keep it out. I'm a lock guy myself. You want to tighten your core and your abs, squeeze as hard as you can. And you want to go ahead and keep this motion for as long as you can. When it comes to breathing, you want to go ahead, basic breathing. Smell the flowers. Blow out the candle. What we're going to go ahead and do is perform chair dips. What you want to do, walk yourself out. If you're first starting, you might want to keep your knees bent. If you've done this before, you can go ahead, bring your legs straight out. Either way, whatever works best for you. What you're going to do, you're going to smell the flowers on the way down. Blow out the candle on the way up. Simple enough, right? All right, let's go ahead and do this final exercise for 20 seconds.
Yeah, I gotta do what I gotta do anyway to get off of my way. I gotta do what I gotta do anyway.
All right, this concludes Back to Basics Tabata beginner's workout. For those looking to go ahead, burn a few calories, and get a quick workout in between those binges. I know it's hard staying at home, and let's be honest, quarantine sucks. But on a lighter note, you always got to find the positive and negative. Now you have all the time in the world to spend some time on yourself.